Daddy, go! Go! Hi, puppy. What do you think of the outdoors? Do you like it? What?
Good.
Got a little black spot. Oh, Wiki Wiki.
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, little thing.
Rosie. There it is. There it is. This is fine, right? Like, this is cute. But right here, ready? This is cute too.
Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good man.
Dorothy, oh. Is that good fun? What are you doing in that?
Hi. You can come here. Come on. Come on. Sim, sim. Sim, sim. Good boy. Good boy.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Daddy?
Surf, surf. Good boys. Ride the waves, Owen. Ride them. Ride. Patient.
Hey. What are you doing? Oakley.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin. Are you relaxed? Are you relaxed?
Want to kiss that just off? Hey, he's a good puppy. Are you enjoying your swim?
What is that? You like watermelon? Oh my gosh.
Kirby, you chilling? Hey, chill, dog. Chill, chill. Too cool. Boop. 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 Diddley. Pizza. Maybe in the water.